Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Gold Island EA, an expert advisor available for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the available features and settings, and then discuss how to evaluate its historical testing performance. Starting with the Marketplace page, Gold Island EA is currently available as a free download and is listed as version 1.0. The developer describes it as an expert advisor designed to make trading smoother while focusing on risk management and drawdown control features. Okay. Looking through the product description, several core functions are highlighted. These include risk management based on a percentage of total account balance, configurable trade take profit targets, martingale functionality, the ability to close trades at an average profit level, and a focus on maintaining lower drawdown. The developer also provides recommended symbols for the EA. These include Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD JPY, and XAU USD, with XAU USD specifically noted as the preferred symbol. Now, in terms of time frame considerations, or rather recommendations, the EA can be used on charts ranging from 1 minute up to 15 minutes, while the developer states that the 5-minute time frame was tested and produced the best results during their evaluation. Now, as I move into the settings section, the configuration options are fairly straightforward. The take profit parameter controls the profit target used to close trades. Trade distance determines how far price must move before additional positions are opened. There is also a starting lot setting for the initial trade size, along with a multiplier value that controls how trade sizes increase for subsequent positions. The EA also includes a maximum trades parameter, allowing users to define how many positions can be opened in total. In addition, there is a close maximum trades option, which can be enabled to close maximum open positions as a way to help reduce drawdown exposure. Now, one recommendation provided by the developer is to use a lot size of 0.01 for every $100 of account balance and a take profit value of 100 points. As always, traders should test these settings themselves to determine whether they fit their own risk tolerance and objectives. Now, let us move over to the backtesting section. When reviewing any historical backtest results, it is important to remember that we are evaluating historical analysis rather than future expectations. Okay, historical testing can help us understand how an EA responded to previous market conditions, but it cannot guarantee similar results going forward. Okay, so looking at the provided report here, I can see initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit was over $119,000. After total trades taken, we are 397, out of which 347 were profitable. That gave us an 87.41% win rate. Largest profit was 9,255, and the largest loss was 14,389.29. Average profit 475.95, average loss 909.71. In this case, the risk to reward ratio was bad, but here we can see that the equity and growth curve was quite steady. It was rising steadily until this point where there seems to be a sharp drawdown. But let's just head over to our own strategy tester. Let us see how this EA behaved. The Gold Island EA, we are testing it on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame, one of the recommended time frames over the past 3 months, and we are using the every tick model. Okay, so looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, total net profit was negative 1,257.38. The total trades taken were 671, out of which 632 were profitable. So here again, I can just see that the EA seems to have a good win rate, because the win rate here is also wonderful. But another problem here is the risk to reward ratio is so bad yet again. The average profit is $10.31, but the average loss is 199.36. Now, it is no wonder that despite having a high win rate of 94%, why is the total net profit still negative? You can see the risk to reward ratio is so bad. So even that 5.81% of trades that we are losing trades was enough to yield a negative net profit. So I think this is one of the reasons why it is always good to have a balance between win rate and risk to reward ratio. Even if your win rate is 100%, okay, well, 100% means there was no loss. Okay, even if your win rate is above 90%, your risk to reward ratio at least should be reasonable, even if it is 1:1. Or worst case, even if your risk to reward ratio is bad, it shouldn't be so bad such that the risk to reward ratio will just wipe out the win rate. But let's head over to turn on the visuals and let's just see the EA in action for a moment. Okay. So looking at the chart history, and the trade activity, we can observe how the EA managed positions according to its predefined rules, and based on the information provided by the developer, the system incorporates martingale functionality along with trade spacing through the trade distance setting and profit-based basket management through the average profit closure feature. Okay. When reviewing any historical backtest results, remember that we are evaluating historical analysis and not future expectations. Okay, this historical testing can help us understand how an EA responded to previous market conditions, but it does not guarantee future results. All right, beyond the details that are disclosed on the marketplace page, no additional entry logic or signal generation process is described. So it is important not to assume how trades are being initiated. The historical chart activity can still provide useful insight into trade clustering, position management behavior, and overall system response during the tested period. But I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right. As for the results, historical testing performance should always be interpreted carefully. Actual outcomes can vary depending on lot size, selection, multiplier settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market volatility, and any optimization performed by the user. So overall, the Gold Island EA is a free MT4 expert advisor that supports multiple currency pairs and gold, while offering configurable risk management, trade management, and martingale-based position handling features. As always, thorough testing on both demo accounts and the strategy tester is essential before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.